Good morning, everyone. My name is Janine Boshoff, and it is my pleasure to present our poster on outlier detection methodologies for alternative data sources. This work was conducted in conjunction with my two colleagues, Dr. Gary Young and Dr. Zhuzhen Mao. The availability of alternative data sources such as web scrape and point-of-sale scanner data is a rich data source that could supplement traditional data collection in constructing consumer price statistics. Scanner data records information for each good that can be uniquely identified by a barcode, while web scraping software collects product description and prices directly from retailer websites. Alternative data sources have an increasingly important role to play in the production of the CPI in an environment with dynamic price setting. If prices change more than once per month, traditional methods for price collection could include less representative prices instead of the true unit value price in a month. Figure 1 on the right indicates that 57% of goods reflect more than one price change in a particular month. So what is the importance of outlier detection? A price observation that is significantly different from the average price for that particular good is considered an outlier. It's important to remove outliers from the dataset because their inclusion could result in calculated inflation appearing much higher or much lower than it really is. The large volume and unique nature of alternative data require further research to understand how to detect outliers. In the example of scanner data, it's very difficult to isolate the impact of changes in pricing, features, or packaging on the sales quantity, while web scraping data can be affected by the changeable nature of web page structures. Our research set out to review current practices in outlier detection used by various national statistical institutions. We included some of the outlier detection processes used in Australia, Belgium, Germany, Hungary, the Netherlands, and New Zealand. What we found is that current methodologies are based on traditional methods, and they have developed algorithms related to product definition, elementary aggregation, multilateral methods, and time aggregation. During our research, we identified key areas that we felt required further research and innovation. We noticed that most statistical agencies have not yet adopted automated measures for outlier detection from alternative price data sources. Furthermore, we found that current methods use statistical distribution assumptions based on a normal distribution, and this might not be suitable for alternative data. For this reason, we suggested that there needs to be more research into machine learning methods to address outlier detection. And finally, we felt that there was no universal framework to tackle the various alternative data sources. This research just represented the first step in understanding outlier detection and deletion in alternative data sources. And I invite you now to refer to our poster, Applying Machine Learning for Alternative Data Outlier Detection and Deletion, to understand some of the innovations we have conducted around using machine learning methods to address alternative data outliers. Thank you very much.